Sir, half plus half, sir. Sir, weeks.
Yes, sir.
2 plus 2, 4.
Who is this?
Sit down, all of you.
Thank you, sir.
Arjit.
Yes, sir. Sir, can constructions come in the section, right?
वो 4
Yeah. We have to complete the construction and I need to complete. Did you do the exercise?
Sir, there is an exercise.
Not exercise. Yeah. Hey, hello. Q4, I will put one follow. Okay.
Sir, last class, sir.
Those who saw last class, first class, whatever the class is unnecessary talk over this. I use some standard. Arshit, sir, where is your friend next fellow? I will leave from coming.
No, sir. No, sir. Sir, will not come. Speaker.
Pratik,
Currently, sir.
I will learn for it. Yeah, Mark. Some practice or anything is going on over you?
Yes, sir.
There is not much out over there. Those who practice the some please standard. There is a guy that no need to. Again, I said na everyone. Those who today is today Wednesday, from the Sunday to Wednesday. Okay, then we can do Wednesday. Those who practice, you have practiced anything? Yes. Start. What did you practice? Did you practice any? If you practice, then start. Did you practice? All of you be quiet. Now you know combined study not done now. Path is the I think path there is for me and three for people be quiet. No. Yes.
So one exercise of construction and one exercise of volume. Sunday of construction and Monday volume. CST then banking.
Okay, sit down. You banking, I will think long time banking is going. Now, next one. Similarity and the circle. Sit down. You. Sit down.
Sir, all the 8 after conduct.
Huh?
All the 8 after conduct.
You people said no, you be quiet. Okay. What are easy chapters? No easy chapter name is there. There is at least 2 or 3 names. Sit down. What do you do? What is I said is you. One that next one. Kancha. Yes. Sit down on the video. Circle tangent.
You, the circle tangent, reflection and
Are you sit down?
and
What happened? Hello? Yeah. In medium, statistic tangent. Circle, sit down. Now look here. You don't have this day to do this on one exercises and all. The time is over. Just count the days and accordingly utilize the time. Okay. And it is not one subject. Remember, all the subjects are there in the, all the subjects. So, and number of chapters also count and accordingly practice. Now, and see that one, even go through 1 or 2, 3 question papers, see which one has more weightage. ICSE doesn't have any particular chapter wise weightages. So, accordingly do it. And there is nothing like, this is compulsory from this chapter, compulsory and all. ICSE doesn't have. 1 year trigonometry, 2 questions may be compulsory question. Next year, maybe 1 question only. And sometimes heights and distance may be a compulsory question comes. Next year, it may not be there. So there is no hard and fast rules or something. Okay, this chapter comes and all. So don't look at that one. So you have to practice and at least make sure that I'm telling for all the people with this one, minimum 60% people. Minimum 60% people mean Selena first, let's say half the exercise. If there are 20 sums are there, at least first 1 to 10. At least those I am talking about the thinking, those who are thinking to get at least around 60 to 70%. Those who want to get the full marks and all, you have to do each and everything. And those solved examples are important. Please go through the solved examples and practice. Not to waste, this is not the time to waste and all. Okay, now we will start with the exercise. Its constructions also not that too easy one. Okay, tell me what is your question? Read the question.
Using ruler and compass.
All of you be quiet and listen. Yeah.
Using ruler and compasses only construct a triangles ABC in which BC equal to 4 centimeter and the AC.
Yeah, wait. What happened, Aditya? The problem there? No. Yeah. That BC is equal to
4 centimeter and the AC is equal to 45 centimeter. Perpendicular from A on BC 2.5 centimeter. Draw circle circumscribing the triangle ABC and measure it.
yeah. Listen carefully. You have to draw a circumscribed circle for this triangle. Circumscribed circle for a triangle. So, yeah, he is there. Don't worry. For the triangle, the values are given. These are the values is given. We have done the triangle. The previous classes we have done either 3 sides or 2 sides and 1 angle, or 2 angles and 1 side. Here it is given as BC is equal to 4 centimeter. Angle C is equal to 45 degree and AD is equal to 2.5 centimeter. AD is a perpendicular. Okay. Now we need to do as after drawing circumscribed circle. That all of you know how to do it. Okay. Explain how to draw the triangle. Are you followed? Just see and accordingly how to construct. Before listen here, to draw a triangle means what you have to find out. To draw a triangle, what do you need? 3 points. Once if you get 3 points, join the 3 points only. If one side is drawn means you got 2 points, now find the third point. So to draw a quadrilateral, 4 points. To draw a circle, what do you need? Center and the radius. Okay, that's it. Yeah. Yes. Pratik, you are not feeling well? Huh?
The light is off.
Light is off. You please come here. That is the reason, no? No light over there, no? Then what is the problem there? Why you are putting the attention thing? You go, I can see you go and sit in the last that side. So that's a lot of light. Please, this one, please don't. Okay, they will explain. No need to look here and there. It is not written over there. So try to there. What nothing is there. We have the these are the ways to how to draw this triangle. Construct the triangle.
The DC is for a DC.
BC length of BC is equal to 4 centimeter.
So sine 45.
Sine 45 and all, not trigonometry and all.
To get the perpendicular bisector.
Perpendicular, where is perpendicular bisector over here?
Sir,
Is there any perpendicular bisector? Now look here. Yes, nail. Your construction is coming as you say, first you have drawn DC whose length is equal to how much? 4 centimeter. Is it or not? You made a 45 degree over here. This is the one you are drilling now. Then what is the next step you said? From where you cut, where to where? Just like that, somewhere you take and cut. Is it so? That this construction is not correct. Listen here. Okay, one more. Okay, Kushagra.
sir, just whatever she said the same thing and you put the pointer on D and like this.
You cannot. Where is D? Where is D over there? You don't have D. Listen, all of you. Enough now.
Sir,
Listen.
may I-
Yes, sir.
sir, if angle ADC is 90 degree, angle ACD is 45, so angle DAC becomes 45. So my DC is 2.5.
How will you draw? Where is D? Where is A?
What is the
Sir, I can draw DC and at C I can construct 45 degrees.
DC, how will you draw? This is BC. Listen, all of you. Okay, wait. Now listen, all of you. All of you listen now. You will not get any. You have the relation BC and AD are perpendicular to each other. So what we do means we just draw a line. And Azim wanted to explain. I did not see your hand up. Now you have to draw, make a perpendicular at any point. Take a point as D and make a perpendicular. Means BC will be on this line. And we make all of you know how to make the perpendicular 90 degree. And on this perpendicular, you cut 2.5 centimeters. So you got as A. Yes. Okay, this much you got it. Therefore, this is equal to A you got. Now what we need to get? As she said, this is 45 degree means make a 45 degree over here. Okay, you will make the 45 where it is meeting that point is C. So this automatically 45, this is 45. Okay, this is how much 2.5 and this is 90 degree. Now from C, what you take it as 4 centimeter and cut. You'll get the B. Draw the triangle. Are you followed or not? Okay, will it also property satisfy? BC's length is how much? What is the length of BC? 4 centimeter. So is it perpendicular?
Yes.
Yes. Is it 2.5? Yes. Is it 45? All situations satisfied. So that is the way to construct. You cannot start with BC because we cannot fix what B and C. We don't know exactly where is D. Over there perpendicular, but we cannot tell the 45 angle is not there, this length is not there, this length is not there. Understood now?
Yes, sir.
Once if you draw this one remaining construction of circumscribed circle and inscribed circle, you can do it. Okay, is it clear?
Yes,
What
sir.
happened? First step is you draw a line. You draw a line and take any point and draw a perpendicular. Understood or not? This point is taken D. On this perpendicular, take 2.5 centimeter and cut. That point is called A. This is 2.5. Is it clear? This also, you know, this angle sum property. This is 45. Means this also is 45. So make a 45 degree at A. So when you make the 45 degree, it will be meeting this much. Okay. Then that point is C. From C to B is how much? 4 centimeter. Take on the compass 4 centimeter and cut. That is equal to B. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, last class we were. Sir, attendance sheet. Attendance sheet was come over there and from there only. Who is the attendance sheet?
What's the attendance sheet?
We don't know, because I don't know. Yeah. I use, everything is done now, all attendances are done. Yeah. Listen. In the last class, we were discussing about the regular hexagon. What are? Let them be there now. What is your problem? Here you see who is there. It is not 1 hour lecture, it is 3 hour lecture. Okay. When our portion is completed, you can even in a hurry, please tell me, I can send at that time. So you are in a hurry? No. Are you in a hurry? Pratik? Not in a hurry. Okay. Now listen. Yeah, World Cup. World Cup is there. Yeah. Now listen. We have done in the last class regular hexagon how to draw, and I also said how to draw the circumscribed circle.
Yes, sir.
Listen, regular hexagon has done one method, two methods I have explained to you. One is direct method and the other one is an indirect method. Listen, direct method is one side 120 degree on the opposite sides, take the side, two more 120 degrees. So total 4 120 degrees and reach it. There it will get, there are people do with that one also. It's not that it's not. At least one lecture, please quietly sit and listen. Okay. This one I have given the place for you people anywhere you want to sit now. No problem, no. So, but don't sit and talk. Now, over here, I'm going to explain one more method. That may be much easier than whatever the method we have done. If the school teachers tells us do that method, means you provide, you can do it. Okay. The method is, regular, last class also I said, regular hexagon, if you draw the diagonals, if diagonals divide the hexagon into 6 equilateral triangles. That means here if I draw this one, if it is coming as these all equilateral triangles are coming. Okay. Now, so equilateral triangle means all sides are equal, all angles are equal to 60 degrees. What is the method is going to do is this one. A, B, C, D, E, F. Suppose if it is one side is 5 centimeter means these all 5, isn't it? Everything is okay. Now this also, everything is 5, not only. Now what is the way means? First is we will make a line. Arshad, I cannot explain you separately. Please listen. First, we will make a line segment of 5 centimeter. All are there, don't know. Okay. So AB is equal to how much? 5 centimeter. Then we are going to frame the equilateral triangle. Means that intersection are going to from here also 5 centimeter, here also 5 centimeter. So you got the point 5 centimeter over here. Join it and extend. Okay, why it is done means this is 5 centimeter. This is from here again you take 5 centimeter. From here again 5 centimeter. Understood or not? You got D and E. Now here this is how much? 5. This is 5. And this side take 5 centimeter cut. From here 5 centimeter cut. On the opposite side also take 5 centimeter and 5 centimeter cut. You got the points. So this is C, this is D, this is E, this is F. Join all these vertices, you will get the regular hexagon. This is maybe much easier than the other one. Now, if the school teacher permits you, do it. You can do. I have no issues, but check whether it is permitted. I don't know whether it's given in the textbook or something. Understood or not? Should I repeat the construction? Okay, listen. You need to draw. Even if you are going to do this one, you will write that statement over there in that one. What is it? The diagonals of the regular hexagon divides the regular hexagon into 6 equilateral triangles. Okay, so all the sides and diagonals will below. End of the lecture is, oh, there is C, that's, this. So, no problem, no. This is, now. Here, listen now, over here. First is, say, if it is side is 5 centimeter. I'll give you chance to talk. Okay, if side 5 centimeter, take 5 centimeter. Again, like equilateral triangle, same, only 5 centimeter on the compass and take 5 centimeter and cut, you got this point. Join it and extend to the opposite side. Okay, because again I have to take 5 centimeter. So you got the point of intersection here. From here, since this is 5 meter, another 5 centimeter cut there, another 5 centimeter cut there. Is it clear? Okay, then this side, so you got opposite vertices. This and this you got. Now you need these adjacent side vertices. From D, how much 5 centimeter cut? From B also 5 centimeter cut. Same E 5 centimeter, F also cut 5 centimeter. Join A, B, C, D, E, F. That is a regular hexagon. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
All of you?
Yes, sir.
This is simpler. Okay, so you do this method quickly. You need only a minute. Not need of any angle bisector. No, why need angle bisector? Not need of any angle bisector or directly. Okay now? Right. I did not see the good thing.
Sir, 5 centimeter, please.
Who asked me to draw? I will tell now. Draw a regular hexagon of size 4.5 centimeters.
Sir.
What 4.5 centimeters? So, are one line segment only you have to take and compass 4.5, nothing else.
Sir, I raise 0.5, sir. I raise 0.5.
That is your problem. Regular hexagon of side 4.5 centimeter. Barabar. 4.5 centimeter. So, first draw AB whose side is equal to 4.5 centimeter. Then the point you make. Extend to not to join till their extent. Keep the scale long and extend. You need 4.5 inch. Opposite side means total almost more 9 centimeter page. Okay. What is doing on here? What is the different method that others also come to know? Please tell us. Standard. So you tell now to explain to you now. Let me also hear. Tell now. Everybody please sit down there. You are doing other than everything. The compass katna. What happened? Lost it. Then what is the problem? If you have taken your Pratik, are you doing the sum? ABCD. Look, I have given a method that why you are drawing a circle. Why you need to draw a circle? I have given a method. Hello, what happened?
Sir, sir, you have to erase these lines.
No, erase it. If method is permitted, means no need to erase. Okay, I don't know. You just write the reason over there. What is the reason you write? Regular hexagon divides the diagonals of the regular hexagon divides it into 6 equilateral triangles. So that is the condition. If you ask your school teacher if they permit, or in the textbook also check. If they permit, then do it. If not, don't do. Okay, done.
Answer.
Okay now. Your friend has completed his method. They extend this one. Then where you are doing this one? From where you got this R? Reason you know why I choose it separately?
Sir, because
Yeah,
explanation.
I am not finding any cause. Yeah, completed all of you?
No.
I asked, what is the side asked? Huh? My dear, in the exam we do mean they will not give any reason, okay, don't do it this way. Here's what happened, done now. Right, A, B, C, D, E, F. All the vertices, written all of you, okay. Now, listen all of you, stop. How many of you have completed? Yeah. Put the hand down and listen now. We are going to the next construction, that is construction of inscribed circle for the regular hexagon. We did one circumscribed also do it. The other day we had done only one circumscribed. No?
Inside.
Circumscribed is inside. Circumscribed. What this line is an extended line. Look here. Seriously. Is it extended line? Okay. So write one more. Now look here. This is the method. If it is teachers are allowed, you can do it. Okay. If not, I will remove the diagram and make one.
Sir, take one.
Yes. This method is there in the textbook. No. This is method. Who said that? Class teacher said, Nails class teacher said. So if it is done, then it is allowed. Okay. That is it. Okay. Ask your school teacher. Okay, your method is followed. If the school teacher says yes, do it. Proceed.
So, but the circle method is not possible.
Circle method basically it is not allowed because you need to draw the circumscribed circle. Okay, yeah, write down. Next question, right? Draw a regular hexagon of side 4 centimeter. Side 4 centimeter and draw a circumscribed circle. Regular hexagon of side. How many centimeter? 4 centimeter and draw a circumscribed circle. Circumscribed circle. Side should be 4 centimeter, it should not be less than. Rasim, you have completed.
Yes, sir.
And then standard. Let me hear your explanation. How did you do?
Then first
All of you can do your work. Yes.
I needed to make a hexagon of 5 centimeters. Then I took
Hello. You people see you will explain to him or what?
Then first I took a segment of 10 centimeters. Then I made a 360-degree circle around it. And then 360
Sit down. What?
This method is easy one.
Which method?
This diagram.
If it is the teacher permits you, you can do. Check once again, side is percentage or not. We have a what happened? Who's that done? Somebody give. Look here, this one for this one, you will not need to give the mark.
Let me guess.
Tell me what you arrange. You have to draw what is it? A regular hexagon and the circumscribed circle. So according to you drawn the circle and hexagon. So you make 120 and two perpendicular bisectors. Okay. Those who are doing this method, you do the hexagon and draw two perpendicular bisectors. Automatically the radius will come, point and intersection. Intersection will be automatically that point. Yes, done. That perpendicular bisector we are not drawn. Hey, but circle method is done. So you have to how did you get the center of the circle? So to perpendicular by both sides perpendicular bisectors we have to draw. In the question, it is write the chapter computation, right? Okay. Name it as ABC. So think that you know you are useful now. Make it useful. People think that. I told you this. So you prove that there is every nobody uses this word, okay? Yeah. That's okay. The method asks the teacher permission then do otherwise. That not looks like now really this one no vertex. Yes, it's equal to triangle center will be yeah. How many pages? Unnecessary extra work, finally you will not get any mark. Yeah. How many are completed? Please stand up.
Sir, but I just complete that.
Use AB, not only AB, it is a hexagon, A, B, C, D, E. Previous one also I used it. Sit down. Next one. Here will be people. Look. Name that hexagon A, B, C, D, E, F or whatever it is. Okay?
Sir, I made this.
That diagonal must have regular triangle must have. Yeah. How many places you made contributing? Okay. Done, all of you? Yeah, okay, listen. The next one is inscribed circle. Listen, all of you. It's a regular hexagon. The center of inscribed circle and center of circumscribed circle are same. You write in your notebook, write both again. For an equilateral triangle, if two properties right. For an equilateral triangle, the center of circumscribed circle and inscribed circle are same. For an equilateral triangle, the center of circumscribed circle and inscribed circle are same. Written all of you? For below right, for the regular hexagon also same property. For the regular hexagon also the same property. Same property, okay, for regular triangle and regular hexagon. Okay, written all of you? Yes, now, yes. One of you can you explain how to do? Yes, a regular hexagon and inscribed circle. You can explain. Can you explain? Tell. Yes, Akansha.
Yes, sir. So first we draw the regular hexagon.
Fine, first you draw the regular hexagon.
Yes, sir. So then we will draw the angle using a compass.
Angle means?
So we draw an angle and then the angle bisector.
Angle means angle bisectors. So you draw how many angle bisectors? Two angle bisectors. Meeting point will come at the center.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then.
So then from the center we will take an arc on any one side.
You have to draw the perpendicular distance.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? Like in the triangle, perpendicular distance and do it. Are you all of you followed?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so sit down. Should I explain anything? Right, draw a regular hexagon of side 5 centimeter. Draw regular hexagon of side 5 centimeter. And construct the inscribed circle. And construct the inscribed circle. Start. We can use this as the model and this as the set. Automatically it will come. Next second, now we are going to draw. Triangle method is no problem. First we draw the regular hexagons, then draw the angle bisector. Draw regular hexagon of side 5 centimeter. Name it as ABCD here and draw the inscribed circle. What happened? You will draw the circle. Doing 121. 16. Why you have to do? You can take the same explanation with no triangle automatically come up. This process takes. But basically, if it is inside circle, I'll don't go that further because inside circle, I think little problem. Okay, so you created this method. I am not creating. I am not the creation of any of this. This is all methods of this was okay. Now, we are not supposed to speak like that. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I did not measure. No, but in the exam also the same thing happened. Then imagine what we are doing. Okay. Always try to take a fresh page and do the exam. Okay. But then angle bisector is already there. Then perpendicular draw to one of the sides. You have made the hexagon. Then there is a third in the how many visual. The angle by this is already angle by picture of this angle now from here perpendicular here. By doing the triangle, we are not going to draw the inside circle. Yes. Already, those are doing the triangle, already angle bisector is there. Yes, sir. Hexagon is there. Then draw the angle perpendicular is already angle bisector. Perpendicular to any one of the side, let's say here this side. Open this one. Have you followed? Even if this is the sender IP, the radius. Android. Okay. Any one of the side. Touching all the sides now. Perpendicular to the side. IS and the IP radius, draw the circle. Just to expound here. So where is point in the thing? Or the direct on here? Where did we join? Just like that, right? Then this one take center as I and IP as radius, draw the circle to touch. How many have done? 1, 2.
Sir, almost.
Till done.
Already touching.
This time hexagon will be proper. There's no problem. If you are going to hexagon, no. Then perpendicular to one. The radius is the center you have. Radius you get now.
They're not touching.
Radius raw perpendicular to one.
That's how that's why how we are not.
From I to one of the draw the perpendicular. Open the remembering that. So take a properly draw and you will.
In fact, that's perfect, sir. Next. We're not getting point of view, right? Sorry, go to the last part of the watch.
Have to be exact this one. Otherwise you will not get the. What is it?
There's the
Wrong. That's good. You're not taking that. That's good. Okay, but help us. You're okay now? Huh? Yeah. All of you stop talking now.
Yes, sir.
All of you are complete. How many of you have got the circle? Yeah. Okay. Put your hand down. And all of you listen here. This method, when you are doing, majority, almost 90% of the people are getting. But there are people are not getting. Look here. There are certain things you have to get it. I said, you make the triangle and extend it. Don't make this way the triangle first. Over here, arc is drawn, here arc is drawn. Join it, then try to extend. Most of the scales are bent. You extend in advance itself. There deviation is there, prism is there. Okay. Yeah. Now look here. Over, so you just think that I need to do extension over there. It is not that at that time. So this one extend and keep it over there. And this, look here. Further, if this is 5 centimeter, I need 5 more centimeter. So keep it as it should be more than altogether more than that. Think and do it. Construction means you have to think and construct. That is why it's not that okay, every step. You have to assume what is to be done, then accordingly you have to do it. Okay. And see the space. Next question onward. Here, listen here. Next question onward, whichever you are doing it, it should fit in the page. It should not overlap the writing part.
Sir, you give me on my leg, sir.
Please, I can understand your problem. Okay. Yeah. Right. This is coming. Right. Inscribe circle ought to be followed now. Draw another question. Draw an equilateral triangle of side 5 centimeter. Draw an equilateral triangle PQR of side 5 centimeter and construct its circumscribed and inscribed circle. Huh? In the same figure, side is 5 centimeter. Listen, draw an equilateral triangle of side 5 centimeter. Draw it circumscribed and inscribed circle for the same figure. So PQR, right? PQR. Let me also. You don't. You don't know. Your brother. And you? You know what we should do? You remember? Yeah. Yeah, all of you have drawn the equilateral triangle. Draw equilateral triangle on all sides are equal. A meters PQR. I did not for the grade of ICSE. Single PQR. And we know like what's the property. Centers of Aritosh. You want to sing? I will give the chance for you just to sing. Pratik, done. Even the calling for. Hello. You have a doubt. Although we extended now, you repeat the point of what the problem. See the scale and keep it. Hey, what the other point is meeting. Where? Is ready. What is it? What? Sudden. Meeting everything sudden. These things are different knowledge, different. Then meeting point. That's good or not? Yeah. That is correct, there is no problem, but it is not drawn properly. So that is why the triangle itself is not vertex. Okay, and then that is on. Triangle may be the problem. Even one will be what happened that yeah. All of you listen here. Don't need to do that all. Look here. Yeah. You have to for this for the equilateral triangle. First statement you will write in an equilateral triangle. The perpendicular bisector, you can note down right there. In an equilateral triangle, perpendicular bisector and angle bisector are same. But in an equilateral triangle, if you write in the answer itself, in an equilateral triangle, perpendicular bisector and angle bisector are same. Therefore, center of the circumscribed circle and inscribed circle are same. This much is written. I repeat, in an equilateral, yes, in the exam you have, otherwise you have to draw angle bisector and this one, no need to do additional one. In an equilateral, I repeat, in an equilateral triangle, perpendicular bisector and which one? Angle bisector are same. Therefore, center of the inscribed circle and circumscribed circle are the same. That is why you write that one statement. Then all of you listen. First you have drawn the equilateral triangle. After that, you draw any two perpendicular bisectors, that is enough. Okay, this is the point. So first you draw this center. This center is same as the center of inscribed circle and circumscribed circle. So with the P as center, so O as center, OP as radius, draw the circle.
Yes, sir.
Then let's say radius is this one A. With O as center, OA as the radius, the next circle. Automatically both will be coming. Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, no need to draw additional construction. You write the statement. That is why. Okay, if different type of triangle, then you have to draw it. The very rare case asked, inscribed circle and circumscribed circle for other type of triangles. But in the equilateral triangle, you can get because you have to draw an additional circle only, no more construction. Understood? Types are clear? Okay, now. Wait. You also started on this. Yeah, listen. Done all of you? Then now next is we start the exercise. Now the question which are what is doing? And the break needed? Break needed? Okay, 5 minutes break. Yeah, after 5 minutes we'll continue.
Good evening, sir.
Sit down, all of you.
Thank you, sir.
You be outside, then not
Sir, meeting, sir. Sorry, meet me.
No, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, listen. Rasim. Yeah. Yeah. In this from the exercise, whichever the questions we have not done, the similar ones, if we have done, I will not do the remaining one we will discuss. Okay. Yeah, this one. Take the exercise 19.1. Okay. Yeah, and again, listen all of you. There are some questions are based on constructions are based on locus. That is not required to do perpendicular bisector based questions are there. So locus based questions you don't need to do because that chapter is not there. Okay, so which are the questions based on these on tangents, circumscribed circle, inscribed circle, and on we have will do it. Okay. Now listen. Yeah. The Kushagra, read the question. One by one, which first question read.
Draw a circle radius 3 cm, mark a point P at a distance of 5 cm from the center of the circle drawn. Draw two tangents PA and PB to the given circle and measure the length of each tangent.
Similar one we have done already. Somebody explain how to do this. Who asked you to talk? If you are not talking, then explain now. What happened? That means you are not read the question even. You did not listen to the question. You are not talking. Yes. Yeah. Yes, Kushagra, explain.
So now first we will take a circle of radius 3 cm. And then we'll extend it to 5 cm.
Okay.
Then we'll take the midpoint
From where 5 cm?
So from the
Center to that point P is 5 cm, isn't it?
extend here. Yes, sir.
Okay.
So then we'll find the midpoint using the perpendicular bisector.
Find the O is the center, draw the perpendicular bisector of OP.
Yes,
That will be the midpoint.
We'll keep the pointed edge on the midpoint.
Midpoint, let's say M and MO is the radius and draw the circle.
Yes, sir. So it will intersect at
Both the circles intersect at the point, let's say A and B. No?
So we
The joint PA and PB connect there. They are the lengths of the tangent and measure the length of PA and PB. Both will be equally length. Okay. Yeah. Ayush. Second question. All of you draw these questions. Second question. All of you do this one. Draw a circle of radius 5 centimeters. Draw. Let me see where you. Angle between the tangents is 45 degrees. All of you do it.
Draw a circle of radius 5.
Same. Can I get my scale back?
Yeah, the 6 and bring your book here. Let me see the previous concept. Yeah, bring it here now. Bring it here. Yeah, bring him here. Learn something. Okay. Where?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye.
All of you listen here. You got the article got the then what you done you tell me. Is there anyone could able to do?
Sir, stop. Sir, 2 minutes. It will be better.
Listen, yeah, Paritosh, you can stop. Kushagra, you can stop. I said both of you to stop. You are doing, it's a wrong thing you are doing. I said no, not this way. Yeah, I said no, well, you don't need to do that one now. Listen, this question, you have to draw the, stop, all of you stop drawing. First and foremost thing is, you will draw. You draw a rough figure and let's say this is A, this is B and C. This angle is equal to 45 degree. O is the center. Now the question is given us draw a circle of radius 5 centimeter. Draw two tangents such that angle is equal to 45 degree. You cannot draw this way. What you have to do means I can join OB and OC. Then this will come as how much? 90 degree. By angle sum property, you will get it as how much? 135 degree.
Yes.
Now this question is not tangents drawn from the external point. Are you followed? This is not a tangent drawn from the external point. Now, first you will draw this figure, rough figure, and you mark it by angle sum property 135. The construction method is first you draw the circle. Okay. Take any point, let's say as A, join OA and make 135 degree. This is the point B. This angle is equal to 135 degree. Then make the tangent at A. Do you know how to make the tangent at A? 90 degree. Tangent at B, 90 degree. Okay, so 90 degree means 60, 120. Here also 60, 120. Then automatically this A will be okay, whatever the point there is B and C. This will be automatically, it will come as 45 degrees. Are you followed the method? Now, first
we can use directly protect.
directly, it's very easy to make 135 degree. Bisect between 90 and 180. Okay, protractor is permitted, you can do it. Otherwise, what you can do means
150 and
60, 120, 180. Okay, this is 90.
Yes.
Bisect between 90 and 120. 90 and 180. 90 and 180. Middle of 90 and 180 is 135. If the protractor is permitted, do it, no problem.
So 19.
90 and 180, which is mid of 90 and 180 is how much? 90 plus 45, 135. Okay, so first is you will draw this rough figure and mark it over there. Right, by angle sum property, angle A, if the points are given, write that with the name of the point that it inside. This rough construction should be shown in the part of the construction. By angle sum property, angle BOC is equal to how much? 135 degrees. Rasim, are you followed? And you are finding a new method, let me also know, okay? Forty-five got it. Step 1, draw the circle of radius 5 centimeter with center of make 135-degree means. Name. What discussion is going on there?
Write a task, can you make?
60, 120, 180. 60 and 120. This is 90. Bisect. Okay. Then make the tangent at B and C. 90 degree. OB. Sir, obviously. Check that whether angle is equal to. If it is angles are exact, then it will get.
19.
What did I tell you? You said that I will do it. Every question the same problem. Yeah, it has to be intersecting near notebook only, not on the desk. You also. How many of you got the angle?
Sir, 2 minutes, sir.
Yeah, I don't. Is 1. Where? 35. Okay, okay. But others construction is there, but it is yours will be over here in the notebook. Where? You will come on this one now. Where it will be? Possible, maybe. Check.
Possible.
Check.
When she मेरा भी नहीं थोड़ा just move it up.
See, you could have made it now. One over here, made one over here. Understood or not? That you can do it. Oh, see, whenever the exam, you think and do it. So what happened? Not getting.
When she knows we have the corporate government.
Done. हमने भी done. What happened? I
Coffee order.
not getting. Yeah. Complete. We don't have more time to do.
When she must be.
Repeat.
Wow.
Sir. Sir, I'll get marks for steps.
क्या हुआ? सर मैं क्या किया टीचर ने?
What do you do not do? Hmm. 65. What are the angles are taken? What is this angle? 120 degree. What is it? Starting to this angle is clear now it's 120 degree. The angle is 135. And that is 65 means the angles are wrong. Yeah. What happened here? Yeah. Stop talking now. Got the answer?
Yes, sir.
Then? That you reach in that. Got the answer? They are talking after getting. And you- Have you all know what you want? Wait. Hey, sit down there. Copy from us. It's a line, not dotted line. And these are not the it could meet, where it is going to meet.
Better luck next time.
First time you do it, time we just every time you copy. Yeah. Let's this way, let's do the remaining ones, you know. Okay, question number 3. Paritosh, read the next. Read the question number 3. Read.
Diameter 12 centimeter, mark a point at a distance of 10 centimeters from the center of the circle. Draw angles to the given circle from their exterior point, measure the length of each.
Direct one only you can do it. Read the next question.
Draw a circle of radius 4.5 centimeter. Draw two tangents to this circle so that the angle between the tangents.
Instead of 60, the 45 is 60. Same as this one, okay, 120, okay, fifth one.
Using ruler and compass as only.
Read, okay.
Then construct triangle AB.
Number is not talking now. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Read.
Equal to 7 centimeter, AB minus AC equal to 1 centimeter, and angle AB is equal to 45 centimeter.
Okay,
45 degrees. Inscribe it ABC constructed in A1 above measure its radius.
okay, instead you have to make the inscribed circle, that we will do it, okay, finish it.
Using ruler and compass.
Read. Now we do first, we can make it.
Draw an equilateral triangle of side 5 centimeter, draw it observative. Draw.
Did you read the question?
Circle measure the radius.
Something fun or what? Okay, Varun, read the question, please.
Use ruler and compass only. Draw an equilateral triangle of side 5 centimeter. Draw its inscribed circle. Measure the radius of the circle.
So we also done equilateral triangle also.
Yes, yes.
We are reading inscribed circle only, not the circumscribed circle. Okay, next one, seventh one.
Draw a circle circumscribing a regular hexagon at height 5 centimeter.
That also we done, the next one.
Draw an inscribed circle.
Okay, this also we are done. Now, okay, now we are going to do the question number 5. Okay, see, how to draw the triangle, we have to triangle, all of you draw the, make a rough figure and see how do you make the triangle. You have to do, you have to draw, do the first, fifth one. You want to go home? Sure.
Sorry, we can have multiple lines.
You, this one once again, read the question.
Using ruler and compass only, construct triangle ABC having given BC is equals to 7 centimeters, AB minus AC is equals to 1 centimeter, and circle ABC is equals to 100. AB minus AC. And A40. So AB have multiple values.
Listen now. You have to first, this one you have to, making the triangle is a path, you know how to make the triangle?
Yes.
Path. Stand up. You have a lot of ideas now, give. Whenever this one now, you are the one person who is continuously talking now, give, tell what you have to do. Now you are reading. Do you know which question you are doing? Yeah. Here, this one, first and foremost thing is you have to make the triangle ABC. For that one, we have the length of BC and the angle B is equal to 45 degrees. But you don't have any other side. You want only the difference between the side. First and foremost thing is this AB minus AC is equal to 1 centimeter. So which is the longer side? AB. So why I am telling this one in the same question you can get AC minus AB is equal to 1 centimeter. That time it is coming as which one? AC. Yeah. I will explain. Anyone know how to construct the triangle? You want to explain? No. Listen. First we can draw the line segment which is equal to BC, which is equal to how much? 7 centimeter. We make a 45 degree, all of you know how to make the 45 degree. So construction all of you know. So once you have done the 45 degree, okay. Now, which is the bigger side? AB. So from B, we take 1 centimeter. Stand up. Come. Let others also hear. No, explain.
No, sir.
No, do not. Yeah. You know it now? Yeah. From B, we take 1 centimeter and we cut a point, let's say another point is, let's say P.
Sir,
So, BP is equal to 1 centimeter. The difference between AB and AC is equal to how much? 1 centimeter. Now, we will draw the join this one, C and P. Next is we, another expert. Now, we draw the perpendicular bisector of CP. Perpendicular bisector of CP. So when you draw the perpendicular bisector of CP, you will get a line. This is the one perpendicular bisector. Okay. Now, both will be meeting at the point. We got the triangle. Now, how it is, I'll just explain. This is the perpendicular bisector.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, the length of AP and length of AC will be equal. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Equal distance. Therefore, these are, if it is this is equal to X, this is equal to X. So what will be AB minus AC? 1 centimeter. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, this length is X plus 1, this is equal to, the difference is equal to 1 centimeter. Is it clear? Now, the same question before going to do this one. Suppose instead of this one, had it been opposite, AC, AB plus AC, I'm telling. AC minus AB is equal to 1 centimeter. This all have been followed now.
Yes, sir.
Everyone, I'm going to raise this one.
Yes, sir.
Sir, after, sir, ICSE.
I repeat once again. BC is equal to 7 centimeter. Make angle B is equal to how much? 45 degree. Then on that 45 degree, 1 centimeter. Which one is that 41 centimeter? This one, that difference. Whatever it is given, that one. Generally, very small length only will be given. Because otherwise, that perpendicular bisectors meeting is difficult. Then join P with C. Draw the perpendicular bisector of PC. PC, not BC. Okay, perpendicular bisector of PC. For perpendicular bisector and this 45 degree meeting, that point is called which one? A. Join AC, so the triangle ABC you got. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
How it is getting means these two, AP and AC are equal in length. Therefore, AB will be equal to X plus 1. You can prove these two triangles are congruent.
CPC.
Yes or no? 90-90. Common. Equal SAS. Therefore, these two AP is equal to C. Okay now? Done?
Yes, sir.
How to do this one? If the question is given as AC, see, same condition, instead of AB minus AC, AC minus AB. So, which side is bigger one?
AC.
Is it the same thing? No. That means,
Take P of lines AC.
Huh?
Sir, will take,
explain
sir,
fast.
first we'll draw the line BP.
Hmm.
And then sir will take 1 centimeter.
Where?
Sir, on line C. Point
Here,
C.
let's see. 1 centimeter on C where? Okay, tell where you take 1 centimeter.
Sorry, sir. First we'll make 45 degree on B.
Now C is over to B. 45
We'll
degree.
make 45 degree on C.
You are trying, you know the construction or time pass you
Right.
do?
50.
Yeah. C is going to B, B is going to C. Yeah, listen. Yeah. Now look here. In this case, which is the side bigger one? AC is the bigger. Construction is similar format. Then we make 45 degree. In this case, we will not take 1 centimeter over here, 1 centimeter we take below. Then this is the point and join CP. And draw the perpendicular bisector of CP. Okay, this perpendicular bisector where it is meeting, this is the point A, the triangle ABC. It's the same process will come. Okay, understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
so it is coming as this AP and AC are equal, therefore If you take this as x, this value will be expanded. Okay, understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now this also is clear. Another one. If it is AB plus AC, it will be something on, let's say, 11 centimeter, because it should be more, sum of two sides now, more than the, or let's say as 10, 8 or, okay, 9. Think under.
Sir, we will draw AC.
AC we don't have.
Sir, if BC we have.
These two are there plus this one. There's another one perimeter wala that is not required. This
Sir,
also,
after-
listen. We will make this one same thing. BC we drawn. 45-degree drawn. On 45-degree we take 9 centimeter. This is a point P. Join CP. Draw the perpendicular bisector of CP. Perpendicular bisector of CP meet the point that is A. These two are equal in length now.
Yes.
This plus this should be same as this plus this. Yes or no? This is equal to 9 centimeter. This is x, therefore this also is 9 centimeter. Followed or not? This is the perpendicular bisector.
Oh, okay.
Okay now?
Yes, sir.
All the three cases followed?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that is a condition. So do all of you do this one, that AB minus AC, no?
Yes, sir.
No, I did not understand this one.
Which one?
This one and AC minus AB also.
Okay. AB plus AC is equal to 10 centimeter. So we will draw first as DC,
Yes,
then 45-degree.
yes,
On 45-degree, take it as 10 centimeter. That take it as P.
yes.
Join CP and draw the perpendicular bisector of CP.
Okay, okay.
Okay,
Yes,
that meeting the point that is A. Are you followed now?
yes, sir.
Okay, so now all of you do this one AB minus AC. Yes.
बना रहा हूँ। Sir, BC equal to 7 centimeters.
First draw BC 7 centimeter. This one you have to do before everyone. Okay, you already you're done. You have to do the second part of that one. First draw BC 45-degree bisect 90. You is the question clearly written ruler and comma. We are not supposed to use the protractor. 90 bisect 90 means first 60, 120 bisect 60 and 120, that is 90.
Sir, drawn.
What?
BC.
Thank you. 7 centimeter.
Magnitude.
Okay. So, fourth standard. Right segment 11. No?
Yes. Sir, अभी बना रहा 2 मिनट.
This is 10 centimeter for gun.
Sorry. Fresh लेते fresh. ताजा सीवी के थर्स मत बार-बार.
Now it is 7 centimeter. Finally.
Finally. Sir, ये सबसे मेरे लिए hard chapter है. Geometry hard ही रहा है मेरे से.
Yeah. 45-degree, you know how to draw.
Yes, sir.
Bisect 90. And on 45-degree, you have to take 1 centimeter.
So we can bisect 30
30 and 60 also, yes. You already 90 and 0 now, why? Yes.
Sir, we can draw 90 with scale.
Paritosh, unwanted thing you don't tell. How can you draw 90 with the scale? No, one 90 with the scale, drawn now. 90 with the scale, drawn now. Where is your 45 degree? This is 45 degree. This is 70. How did you get this 45?
Sir, 1 centimeter there.
What is this line? 45 degree. You know how to draw 45 degree?
Sir, between 90 and 0.
I said between 90 and 0. Triangle drawn. Circle also drawn. Read the second part. Huh? They loudly. How long you have to draw AB? Once only you have to draw AB.
Long.
Length of AB you don't have. If it is length, he's finding length of AB. You cannot find the length of AB here. You got the triangle.
Yes, sir.
Then what is the problem? What is it? Loudly speak.
We are drawing perpendicular. So, sir, can we draw another perpendicular and take that?
This perpendicular bisector is not for any side. It is for BP and CP and not. That is not for the circle. Nehal, first you complete your work.
Sir, 45 degrees.
Oh, great. Another.
So we cannot do 1 centimeter with scale. You have to do rounder.
Why not? Rounder, why don't you use the 1 centimeter? First is BC. What is it, Shambhavi? Here, every 10 places you look. Rotate 360 degree. Like last thing consider. First is circle. Then. So we'll make it like center point. Come.
You are in joke. That's what he's carried going.
This is a way. This is a perpendicular. Hello, that is not 45, that is 30 degrees. Sir, after this triangle, I think it's right. Small did not that make me sir.
Sir, I made.
Yeah, I was just checking.
I finally made a 45 and coming, not. Yeah, now you may name it as the draw the perpendicular. Perpendicular bisector.
Okay, sir.
Of CP. Then the circle draw.
Sir, in a.
Read the question and find out. Hello.
Sir, we used to drawing.
Not always.
Yeah, okay.
Perpendicular bisector cannot. Where is the angle bisector? Is it this angle bisector? How it is meaning to angle bisector for which one?
सबसे गंदा इस circle
Not that one.
उन लोग का फिजिक्स का प्रैक्टिकल ही बता
After that, yeah. What is it?
देखा ना चाकरी
I play for the side, 45 down in that one.
when she knows he has a girl.
Where is the triangle? Yeah, done.
तेरे chapter की बना
Yeah. Yeah, all of it. How many of you have done? Yeah, I know. I think it- Yeah, you got that circle. Well, now, listen all of you. Razim, we have done the triangle. Construction done. Nikhil, please check. Is triangle ABC is there? P is there. Okay, did he run the circle? Look here, all of you. Once if you are drawn, you have to draw the inscribed circle. Inscribed circle is for triangle ABC, not triangle APC. Now, change the. Now, you have to draw the angle bisector of any two angles. Any two angles means which one? If you want to draw here angle bisector and here, any two angle bisector meeting point is the center. Okay, then remaining you can do it. Yes, sir. How many of you completed? Akansha got the answer?
Yes.
Okay, listen. We will. We can stop the constructions and let's take to some of the previous board questions. What? Some of them, let's see whether it is something, anything new is there or not, because there are a lot of things. Yeah, previous board question. Yeah, I'm not going to do this one. Some of them I'll explain, that's all. Constructions not. Aditya, your guidance not required for him. You do your work. Yeah, then you be quiet. Huh?
Sir got these.
So read the question.
The next one in case using ruler and inverted forward triangle is with the following data. Says KB 067 equals 6.2 centimeter and angle CAB equals 6 millimeter. In the same diagram, draw circle which passes through points AB and mark with center O. Draw perpendicular from O to AB and makes AB to G. Movement AB equals.
That is not there. That is for the topics. Okay, equidistant form. Okay, now.
Sir,
Yeah. Where's circle?
Sir, circle.
Where is it going? Outside, outside.
Who make a
And that circle is below which triangle here, no?
PCA.
10 times I shouted. Draw the triangle A, B, C. A, B, C is the triangle. Yeah. Yeah, listen now.
Yes, sir.
Akansha, read the question number 2 from the previous board question.
Yes. You can go and consider triangle.
Wait. Are you? Yeah. Yeah. Nail. That. Do you also? Shambhavi. No. Put it down. Yeah. Read.
And then ABC equals to 120 degree and AB equals to 3.5 centimeter. Second, in the above figure, draw a circle cap diameter. Find a point P on the circumference of the circle equidistant from AB and BC at the angle BCP.
Now look here. Wherever the cases are coming equidistant from 2 points, equidistant from 2 sides, they are the locus based question. Okay, so you don't need to do that all types of question. You have to take the question which one, because most of the questions are this one. Your previous year board questions are coming as most of them are coming as from which one locus based question only is coming. So you have to take basically now
Direct question.
direct questions. Constructions basically you are coming. Listen carefully. Yeah, all of you stop now. We will stop that part. Construction, so basically it is you have tangents, water type, then inscribed circle and circumscribed circle is there. And hexagon, the property. These are the base questions are coming here. Beyond that, you don't need to do anything. Okay, so we have done the constructions. Portions are completed. Now listen. Start revising and practicing. Remember once again, as I said also last time also, if you are wasting one day, means remember at 1% is gone from it. That way, take it seriously and do it. Why I'm telling this one means you have not like the other this one. CBSE got only 5 exams. They have only 5 subjects, and they are even their gaps are there in between. You will see your examination alternate maximum 1 day gaps maximum. Alternate days. Some of the cases are there, 2 are there. Okay, that means only you don't think that in these gap days you can do anything much. So please start revising, start doing the sum. Now, what we have done is listen here. We have completed the portions. Are you? Let me finish answer. You want me to tell something? Okay, got it. Okay, completed the portions. When you revising the topics, you will come to know where is your doubts, where is your difficulties and doubt. Doubt solving sessions are there. You can come for the doubt solving sessions. Even if you feel that yes, there is one topic is there, I cannot do it. Extra lectures you can ask. Some teachers will come and clarify your doubts and difficulties from a hand. Most important. The most important part, this is the part we are done in teaching part and we are doing this in practice. Test papers are there. Mock test papers are there, full test. You must write all the papers compulsory. Then only you'll come to know which one, where you can do. It is not that, for the namesake, you will come over there after half an hour you go. Those who wanted to perform very well. There are quite a lot of people listen for, I said in the first day, if I am capable to get 95%, whereas I could achieve only 90% means I am failed. Okay, if there are every person to person, it's different. There are people are there 100 on 100 in maths and score, whereas out of which you will get only, let's say, 80 mark only. That means you are not performed well. So think that way and do it. And please, these days, listen to your parents. Don't think that we have become much bigger than them. No, still long way to go.
Yes.
Listen, whatever they tell, they know what they know. Not even there are cases are there. Parents that is nobody think against you people. Not even a parent think against you people for whatever they say for your betterment only.
Yes.
Whatever they tell, okay, they shout at you, they scold at you, so for your betterment only, please seriously think and listen to them. It's the most important thing. So please do that whole thing so that do it and relax and do it. And next is put a proper timing for your sleep and all. There are people are there till wake up till 1:30, 2 o'clock and study. It's not going to help you. There are people are there, I know it. Some and okay, minimum 6 to 7 hours of sleep is required. Remaining time, seriously study. Next, in the day morning, when you get up, just 5 minutes, take and think, today what I need to do. What is my target is this much. Before sleep, think how much I have completed. You do 2-3 days, automatically that you'll get a routine one, then automatically you can complete your work. Say without any targets, if you do me, let me do the 1 question, do 2 questions, it's not going to help. Morning itself decide, okay, I need these many topics has to be completed, or these 2 subjects, these many chapters. Then before sleep, think, because sometimes it doesn't happen. We are in family, there are a lot of other commitments, sometimes it is there. So then it may not happen that at least I could do this one and next day may sometimes, okay, I wanted to do 2 chapters only. Sometimes I had a lot of more time, free time I got. Instead of 2, I could do 3 chapters. It happened that also. What am I opposite way? When I was ready to do, some of your relatives had come, so I could not do much. So after 2 chapters, I could not do even 1 chapter. All these things are there. So seriously do it, take and seriously work so that you can do well. Okay, if you see this one, there are things where a lot of people done well. There are still yet to improve. Need to achieve. Okay, that's all. Thank you very much. Next
Sir,
class here.
I will meet you on Saturday.
Why you meet on Saturday?
Sir, because I'm coming to.
Coming to?
No, sir, I will give you surprise.
Okay. Hello, okay, all right, okay.
Thank you.
Sir, photos.
इसको अभी समझ आ रहा है इसको हिंदी का मतलब अभी समझ आ रहा
बोलो कौन
हेलो बस आप निकलो तो एक मारता हूँ चल सर बोले